Hello, my name is Morgan Cosgrove, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the databases available at the JCK Library at UCM. One I'm specifically going to be talking about is called the Research Library. It's this one right here. And so you can type in whatever you want here. I'm just going to look up World War II and medicine because that's what we've been looking at and the other activities we've been doing in class. World War II. And so as you can see, it pops up tons of different results for the specific search set. 82,000 actually. And so this is a ton. So if you want, you can go over here to the left-hand side and narrow down your search to find something more like specific to what you want, whether it be any of these, like the date it was released, the type of thing it is, a newspaper, book, whatever you want. And I'm just gonna, for this example, show this one, how World War I changed global attitudes to war and infectious diseases. And so what's nice about this one is that it actually shows the entire text. Like, you don't have to go to a link or download anything. It has it right here for you, available in the database for the specific article. And so you can do anything with this. You can send it, save it, whatever you need to do. But say you want some more information, like this isn't quite enough for what you were researching, or you need some more other sources. You can go over to the right-hand side here, and it has this really nice little section that has related items to the things you've already looked up and to this article. So you can click on any of these, or even here, documents with shared references. So load, sorry. Okay, so here it popped up over 1,000 other documents in ProQuest that have the same reference list. So it's other sources that you can use for the same information. So if you want to pick, I'll just pick this first one that popped up. Oh, wait, shoot, that's the same one. The actual first one. And then here's a whole other article with the same kinds of information that you are wanting for your research. All these details, and again, same thing. So this was me showing you how to use the ProQuest Research Library. Thank you.